Etiefo asemu ade bia meka ene se asemba was say wuti two sides ninina any kwan say wuti just one side na odejaje endra me the story bremo etre was say Kennedy Japan has taken on a year Bishop Ajinasari because Bishop Ajinasari babontin beka say senya Ghana ye good banks no enye na wohwe banks are ye good ninina na eye local owned banks are belonging to Ghanaians na nini na no and say ni susu say sa banks no ebia na wo mo finance NDC for na nyama nti no ye go banks no Kennedy Japan ebetina na 2 the documents by ebe bobo em say munya mo hwe ya mo bete endekra no anopai oko ana yenga sendra oko Asempa FM eko keka nsem ni bia fine na wako keka nsem ni bi wasanso the documents ekoye na wobobo a list of assets ana nsase bia Kennedy Japan na wo claimi se sansase no Dr. Dufour Unibank ne dia no trese wode nkrofo sika to Unibank no na trese wode koto sa nsase no Kennedy Japan. I mean, you guys listen. What the documents and then the papers by Bebo or Bebo doc in Sasi Bebri any in Japadie no worker say in Japadie no Nkrofo sika and a Dr. Dufour wo ye every Unibanko and a what koto san Japadie no na enam enonso into na Unibank no eguye. So at that particular point in time Kennedy Japan e this adie no eba abonten no Nkrofo Bebri ebo Dr. Dufour echi say and the oye enye because Kennedy Japan the documents about bonting. Now, Ekwobia ewo Ghana womo ekasa on accountability. Ye from the Alliance for Social Equity and Public Accountability. Eye ASEPA. Womo the explanation bia about bonting explanation no de etre tintin ni tietia and say in someone Kennedy Japan where can no he is twisting it. Enya ne kre. He is making it look like Dr. Dufour efa nkrofo sika ena wode koto san Japadie no nanso enye san nete. Wo se senia Kennedy Japan san no mo kaze senia Kennedy Japan ka asem no enye san asem nete kra. Now, ASEPA for explanation awo mo ma ene say sa in Japadie na Kennedy Japan ka se ani Dr. Dufour Unibank ska ekotoye no wose san Japadie ne ye Japadie bia na Dr. Dufour atode da kra ansa na Unibank kra eba bunti asem ni yo Kennedy Japan eba abonten no se obebobo a list of Japadie na Japadie na Kennedy Japan bobo ye no waka se eye Unibank for wako nkrofo sika mu de akoto Unibank na Dr. Dufour de koto sa Japadie no. Now ASEPA for say yes say Japadie na Kennedy Japan boy no eye ne kre eye Dr. Dufour ne other company bi na Japadie ne ye ne de antie betumi aka say Dr. Dufour ne Japadie ba wo say na Kennedy Japan we kan won say Kennedy Japan be bobo list no Kennedy Japan na mbo ebia data ye toto san Japadie ni na but ASEPA for nso e de wo mo list aba bontin a wo mo tre say wo hwe data Dr. Dufour to san Japadie na sa time na Unibank bank ne kra no na enyamba ye na ye nyante bank ne ye iti how come say ye nyante bank no wo pese o tre say eye bank ni sika na Dr. Dufour de ko to san Japadie no na tre say Dr. Dufour to san Japadie no ansa na bank ne kra ba so there is no way wo Kennedy Japan be katre Ghana for say Dr. Dufour ete nkrofo sika every bank ni mu e no de ko to Japadie no because Japadie na ato ansa na bank ne kra eba ASEPA for asem a wo mo ka no ena ASEPA for esanso de kan ho say o hwe ade we ni na Kennedy Japan wo ka say e wo say ye bo Akufo-Addo abaso because the Kennedy Japan e kan say ye hwe Ghana adwuma pa say Akufo-Addo egu banks no eno ne ade Akufo-Addo aye Kennedy Japan e kan no wo say dabi because yes Dr. Dufour bank no ekwa ahohiahia mu na Dr. Dufour ka tre aban say okay bank no akọ ahohiahia mu me wo Japadie bi ewo ho na san Japadie no me pese meton na me de sika no eba be hye bank na ho hie mu a akono na kyerɛ sɛ ma settle me customers nti Dr. Dufour na wo wadwemu po papa sɛ wo betua customers ka ɛna aban ka sɛ daabi omo mpene. So the list of properties are Kennedy Japan ebe boy no Dr. Dufour was willing to sell all of those properties to pay the customers of the bank, but aban mpene aban ka sɛ bank na wo pese ogu na no no obegu no nti aban ko so na aban egu bank no nti asepafo asema wo mo kani say up till now even customers ne kan aban emfa wo mo sika emmo mo ye nanso na Dr. Dufour he was willing to sell his own properties to pay and aban ka say dabi aban wa ka say dabi no still won fa properties no mamo nti eno na utumi won say that was the information Ajenasare na wonu nsu kra wode kasa a Kennedy Japan eba be damage control nti asepafo Medinka Trail, the Alliance for Social Equity and Public Accountability. Our moya research on accountability and issues no etrese say ena nekre no ete asem nankasa Kennedy Japan de nam radio stations awoka no nekre na wa asem ni mu no say na ete nti Dr. Dufour de sebe senia ye ka ye say ni di na sa na ete and uyo be a wo follow cases sa case we are unse Dr. Dufour what they are court ama court na what they call na kra na wa sha say we need some of the cases who follow asem ne pana Dr. Dufour sha say against government Dr. Dufour sha say we need some of the cases against government e wo court inti no no be bisa ho say inti say senior Kennedy Japan we kan asem na say Dr. Dufour and we di bone wa ye say na and the ban saying and a war winning cases ni bi ewo court no. So this is the whole thing. This is the whole issue. Mama wati ase Ghana de senia ensem no ye ba abonte ni ebe yese ya ye be kasa. But it is I don't know Kennedy Japan asepa for abeka de we minim say Kennedy Japan obviously will also come out to say something ewo asepa for no. But it's on who you want to believe. Actually, it's on who you want to believe. If you want to believe Kennedy Japan, yes. If you want to believe Asepa Fonso group womonso accountability group womonso omo investigation womo aya womo deba any insema koso wo court no the who person will believe in ibiano you have the right to believe. But let me read a statement Asepa for statement womo deba abonte no say the letter Kennedy Japan showed on his TV is proof of as part of Unibank's commitment to the administration process of reviving the bank, it listed a number of properties it was willing to liquidate to inject into the bank. Yes, you heard right. Dr. Dufour was willing to sell off his own properties and other belonging to his companies to inject the money into Unibank so that no customer would lose their investments. Well, see, the letter Kennedy Japan showed on his TV is proof of that arrangement. But that letter does not in any way show how those properties were acquired, and neither is it proof that depositors' money were used to acquire those properties. One say Kennedy Japan letter what they buy ya what be bubble list no. Kennedy Japan letter no. The Nkrofo we trend say there was no proof at a timer Dr. Dufour to sign Japade no, but Kennedy Japan ka asem no as Dr. Dufour Unibank for sika and na what they to say Japade no. Na aha say and na Asepa for no explain here through their statement awom dey about bonten. Was say Holder Holdings has a number of assets just like any holdings company. And so if the shareholders were willing and ready to liquidate some of their assets to inject into Unibank to keep it afloat, why were they not given the chance to do so, but rather cruelly collapsing the bank, and still government cannot even pay the depositors' monies to them? So who cares more about the customers? The shareholders who were willing to sell their hard-earned properties to save Unibank and its depositors' investments, or a government that rejected that arrangement collapsed the bank and still cannot pay the depositors. Asemwa asepa womode ba abonten no. Was in fact, most of those properties are even older than Unibank. Enyemio asem ne de mama wati ase Kennedy Japan be kasa ye efa eye everenzen Dr. Dufo ho no me mamuti ase se senia Kennedy Japan kasa ya waba be ready letters waba be ready eye properties no meni age because he did it devoid of insults. So won't asem na se kra na utie Kennedy Japan na wobema wati asem na se ba asepafo nso de wo monkrata aba a wo monso nkrata atre se dabi asem na Kennedy Japan e ka no wo twist story na nya sa neti se nia wo bo properties no Kennedy Japan person atre se ye the Unibank fo sika na koto e ba o se dabi properties ne kra no ye to yansa Unibank bank ne kra no yesi na Unibank bank no e ba into existence. Asem no, try your comment box. Whoever you believe, it's up to you.